Welcome. My name is Albert. Thank you for joining me today. And today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about she will start chasing you when you stop caring. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Because on this channel, I help you guys become better men and help you guys improve your interactions with women. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So I'm sure you've heard of the premise of if you don't care, girls will start chasing you. Okay, and you need to understand why this is true. Okay, so it's like the cat theory that I always say. Women are like cats. If you smother them, they will run away. But once you take away your attention, they'll actually start craving that attention, right? Because let's say it's a woman that you've been dealing with for a bit now, and all of a sudden she starts to pull away, right? Once you pull away that attention and she sees that you're not actually chasing her like other guys do, she will start wondering, why is this guy not chasing me? What is he doing? He must be smashing other girls. And here's the key, guys. You have to be smashing other girls. You need to be smashing other girls, okay? That is why I always tell you guys, with a girl that you're dating, every time you need to have a take it or leave it attitude. Women like uncertainty. Uncertainty in a man that she's dating is attractive. Familiarity breeds content. Contempt or content? I don't know what the word is, but you know what I mean. She doesn't like it, right? She wants that kind of uncertainty. She wants to know that her place in your life is not solidified. She needs to have that fear that you might go off and just smash another girl, right? If she doesn't take her time. And here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. I don't advocate for relationships, so you need to be spinning plates, meaning you need to have multiple women on your roster that you're dating and seeing. You just have to. And any woman that tells you, oh, that's messed up, tell her, look, it's your life. You do what you want. I'm going to do what I want to do. Okay? Because at the end of the day, if a woman is telling you that you need to only see her, that means this woman is controlling the sex that you are having in your life. And you don't want to give a woman that control, because once you give her that control, she starts to lose respect for you. She starts to lose attraction for you, right? Because she now knows, oh, you know what? I've already caught him. There's no need to chase, okay? So how can you do this not caring when you just meet a girl? Here's the thing. Let's say it's the girl that you just met, right? You don't need to be texting her all day. You text her today. If she doesn't respond, maybe you text her another 2 days to see what's up. If she doesn't respond, then you just fall back and just wait for her to text you back. If you're dating a girl, right? If you're dating a girl and you've been dating her for a couple of times, okay? And you guys have slept together, or maybe not even, right? And then she hits you with the line, hey, I'm kind of busy right now, I need some time. A lot of stuff is going on in my life. I need to, have some time right now. I'm busy. I'll probably hit you back in like 2 or 3 weeks, okay? You know what you say at that point? You just say, you know what, girl? Take all the time you want. Take all the time you want. I understand. That's all you say. Take all the time you want. I understand. And then you go and do what you got to do. Trust me. I'm not saying all girls will do this, but majority of the girls will actually hit you back up within 2 or 3 weeks. Sometimes even a month, 2 months later, right? 2 months later, like, oh, I'm just trying to see. Because she's going to wonder, wait, this guy never actually hit me up. Didn't he care that I may have freaking passed in a freaking freak nuclear plant accident? He didn't even ask to see how I was? She's going to wonder that. She's going to be like, why? Wait a minute. Is he out here smashing these other Tatianas? And that's where you want her headspace to be in, right? That's where you want her headspace to be in. The woman that you are dating needs to understand. She needs. Now, you should not say verbally, "Hey, girl, if you don't come around, you know me. I got all these other girls." No. It needs to be a sub-communication in the way that you are. That's why I always teach you guys have an abundance mindset. Always be approaching girls. Always have girls that you are dating on a consistent basis. So this way, that attitude that comes out from you, that take it or leave it attitude, that which will give you that non-reactive attitude, which I always advise you guys to have a non-reactive attitude to a woman's misbehavior, or just let her know, hey, look, that thing that you just did, don't do that again. That was disrespectful. If she keeps doing it again, that's fine. You just take yourself out of her life, right? Back to something that I was gonna say. Let's say she leaves, right? She says, I'm busy, I can't see you. She leaves for like 2 months, or maybe like even 3 or 4 weeks, right? She leaves, she's like, I'm busy, I need some time. And you haven't texted her back, right? You haven't texted her within this time, and she hits you back up. Now, here's the thing. It is up to you. It is not up to you to make sure that she does not take priority in your life. Don't be, even though you might be excited that she came back, don't go, oh man, I'm so happy you came back. Oh dude, I was thinking about, oh girl, I was thinking about you this whole time. Oh my goodness, I miss you, blah, blah, blah. No. Don't ever say that. Like, oh, okay, cool. That's fine. I'm a little busy right now, but we'll catch up later. And you just leave it at that. Now you have the power. Now you can say, you know what? I'm gonna demote her to girl that I see every 2 weeks. Or maybe not even text her back. You know? Because here's the thing, like I keep saying in this video, and that is one thing that I need you guys to take away from this video. Uncertainty is attractive to women. Familiarity in a relationship with a woman it breeds disgust in her. Why? I have no idea. We guys, we're logical, right? If we like something, we want to do it. We want to do it as much as possible. But women, I don't know. They just like things that they cannot have. They just, for some reason, if they can't have something, that thing is more valuable to them. Why? I have no clue. No clue at all, mister. Okay? So that is the video for today, guys. Remember that. Remember this. Rewind this video, watch it again. It is very, very important. Guys, do me a favor, okay? I'm trying to grow this channel. Share this video with someone that needs to hear this, okay? If they're struggling with a girl that is not texting them back, giving them nothing, tell them, fall back, my dude. Fall back. Go chase someone else, okay? Chase other girls and wait for her to come back to you. Wait for her to come back to you. Never run back to someone that made you their second option. That's what I'm gonna say, and that's it, okay? With that, I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.